This is the liquid soap I made for my father-in-law's funeral. So it's a kind of souvenir. I decided to, make liquid soap as a souvenir. So guys, in case you're looking for souvenir ideas, liquid soap is not common as a souvenir, but I just thought of it. I said, let me, make this as a souvenir. And this soap is of a high quality. This is a high quality liquid soap. This is 500 mils. This is 500 mils. This soap foams well and is thick enough. Okay, so I wanted something people would use, that will really serve a purpose, right? So this could be used to, do dishes, serve as a hand wash. This soap is just amazing. So as you guys can see, it's packaged with a sticker on it. Okay, so this sticker you're seeing, this is my father-in-law picture on it. So if you're looking for a souvenir idea, you can go for something like this, and it's not too common. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's well packaged, right? So these are the liquid soap I just made, and here are the package. Okay, so I've packaged some, like I've put them into a bag like this. So this bag has a sticker. So let me see whether I can open one of this bag. So this bag has a sticker. Okay, so one bag to one liquid soap inside. Okay, so this is how everything is packaged. So just stick it on like this, and one person has this like this. Okay, so this is how I did it. So you guys can see, so this is for one person. So these are the ones that are already in the bags. Okay, these are the ones that are already in the bags. So I thought of showing you guys. Okay, so this is some of the things I made. Okay, so this is just an inspo for those that, especially these days that things are on the high side. Okay, you can just make something yourself, in as much as this is not that cheap. Okay, because one of these liquid soap goes for 1,000 naira in my location. Some places it might be more than. And this is a high quality liquid soap. Okay, it's not just ordinary liquid soap, it's of high quality. So I just thought to show you guys, okay, what I'm up to. So this is it, as you guys can see. So I just decided to show you guys, the souvenir I made. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Do have a lovely day. Bye for now.